प्लीज सेटल डाउन। पहला ट्विस्ट ये देने वाले हैं, जितने भी अनाउंस कैप्टन है हट जाइए, सब नए कैप्टन आ गए हैं। कर दिए, ठीक है ना? सो कीप इट फेयर एंड कीप इट लाइवली। सो सर्टेन रूल्स। करेगा ओके, फ्रॉम 60 ऑनवर्ड्स द कैप विल बी फॉर 3000। गैप जो है वो 3000 का हो जाएगा, मतलब 60,000 के बाद जो बिट आएगा वो 63, 66 इन द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 3 उसके बाद बढ़ते जाएगा। Am I clear? Clear?
Big round of applause for Ankit Sharma. टेंशन नहीं है, खाते पीते रहो। आवाज आना चाहिए, ताली का आवाज आना चाहिए। Mic to Ankit Sharma.
Thanks to Piyush owning a team called Super Kings. All the best to Ankit. In the house is the Master Blaster, team owner Sri Sureka. Amazing fast bowler, amazing all-rounder. You never know, a talent, a young talent, a newly made CA with us, Sri Krishi Ji. Sri Krishi Ji, who is going to be a thunder striker in the entire tournament, as the name says so. On the honeymoon, he had played quite. Let's welcome Nikhil, the Yorkers. Is it going to be Yorkers or bouncers? We don't know. Prince of Kolkata. Which star rises this time? 7. ATM Logistics and Movers, owned by Akash Sharma, taking ahead his father's business ahead solely and single-handedly.
That is platinum, and pool B, that is diamond. So for pool A, if you choose the player, you bid for that player gets sold. After that player gets sold, so we have marked it in the chits over here. When that is going to come, we don't know that. But the player is fixed. Fair enough? And when it comes, so the bid price, say suppose for any player, say suppose Krishi, for 1 lakh rupees, he takes that player away. If the Krishi is in that pool, his price will go down by 10%. So Shri will take the Krishi at the price of 90,000. टीम खरीद रहा भाई तेरा। Okay, and if the player from pool B gets picked up, whichever player it is, once the bidding happens for that player, after the bidding is done, that player is going to be sold plus 20% of the value of that player. Say suppose if Suraj is there, anyone bidded for him for 50,000 plus 20%, he will get sold to that captain at 60,000. Fair enough?
Decided those players.
Yes, all the 4 players are decided. 2 from pool A platinum, 2 from pool B diamond. Fair enough? And
प्लेयर 1 का बिडिंग चल रहा है, ठीक है? 7 कैप्टन्स है, सबको पहला बात 2-2 क्रॉस दिया जाएगा। ये है क्रॉस,
दे दो।
हम दे रहे
सबको ये 2-2 क्रॉस मिलेगा। दे दो पहले, दे दो ना यहाँ से ठीक है? कैप्टन है C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7। अब क्या होगा, P1 का जब बिडिंग चल रहा है, बिडिंग जैसे ही चालू होगा और जैसे ही हैमर गिरेगा लास्ट में, उसके बीच में ही आपको ये यूज करना है, उसके बाद यूज नहीं हो सकता है ये।
मैसेज करेगा।
ठीक है। अच्छा, इसको यूज कैसे करना है? पवन भैया के पास आप एक मैसेज डालेंगे। कैसे होगा? P1 का सपोज बिडिंग चल रहा है, C1 और C2 सपोज C4 के नाम पर इनको मैसेज भेजता है।
Take the name of the captain.
समझ में आ रहा है?
नहीं ये वाला
तुम कैप्टन का नाम लेके बोल।
अच्छा, सपोज कृषि और अनुराग दोनों नाम भेज रहा है अंकित गुप्ता का पवन भैया को, तो वो हो गया क्रॉस। ठीक है। तो इसका मतलब क्या है? P1 का जो बिडिंग चल रहा है, सपोज इसमें हाईएस्ट बिडिंग है 1 लाख रुपया का, उसके नीचे का बिडिंग सपोज 98,000 का है। तो अगर 2 क्रॉस किसी भी एक प्लेयर के नाम पे, अंकित गुप्ता के नाम पे आ गया है 2 क्रॉस, तो वो बिडिंग से आउट हो गया, वो उस प्लेयर को नहीं ले सकता है।
लास्ट बिडिंग।
अब कौन ले सकता है? जो 98 पे बिडिंग आया है। ठीक है, सेकंड लास्ट बिडिंग। अब सपोज निकुंज जैन और निखिल क्रॉस कर दिया सेकंड बिडर को, जो कि है श्री, उसको दे दिया, तो ये डबल क्रॉस हो जाएगा। ठीक है। तो वो प्लेयर जो बिडिंग हो रहा है वो अगेन अंकित गुप्ता के पास आ जाएगा, पर उसका प्राइस 98,000 ही रहेगा।
सेकंड जो बिड रहेगा वो रहेगा।
करेक्ट।
अच्छा अब ये हथौड़ा मारने
एक मिनट बता रहे हैं। डबल क्रॉस हुआ, ये सिंगल क्रॉस क्या हुआ? कृषि और अनुराग अंकित गुप्ता को क्रॉस किया और कोई भी किसी को 2 क्रॉस नहीं मिला, तो वो सिंगल क्रॉस है, अंकित गुप्ता आउट हो जाएगा, श्री को मिल जाएगा, श्री का जो रेट रहेगा उसको।
फर्स्ट प्लेयर को वापस मिल जाएगा।
हाँ, फर्स्ट प्लेयर के पास वापस आ जाएगा, वो भी 98,000।
रिड्यूस प्राइस।
हाँ, ठीक है, समझ में आ गया?
ये मैसेज कैसे करते हैं?
ये बता रहे हैं।
होने वाला है। इफ यू थिंक, तो आप श्री के नाम पे पवन को मैसेज करोगे, श्री के बगल में क्रॉस लिख करके पवन को भेजोगे, हमारे पास वो रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा कि कृषि ने भेजा या अनुराग ने भेजा। हम ये देखेंगे कि श्री के नाम पे 2 क्रॉस अगर आ गया, श्री के बगल में 2 क्रॉस लिखा हुआ आ गया, मतलब श्री इज आउट ऑफ द बिडिंग। अगर श्री हाईएस्ट जाता है, इज आउट ऑफ द बिडिंग। सबके 2 क्रॉस, एक कैप्टन के नाम पे 2 क्रॉस आना चाहिए, तो ही माना जाएगा कि वो इनवैलिड हुआ है, वो बिडिंग से उसको आउट किया गया है। व्हाट्सएप करना है।
और ये
एक सेकंड, 1 एट अ टाइम।
ये एक कैप्टन
है। तो आप अगर क्रॉस यूज कर दिए, आपका हमारे पास एक मैसेज आ गया, मतलब आपका एक क्रॉस जा चुका है। सो यूज योर क्रॉस वाइजली। कब किसके लिए यूज करना है, तब आपको सोच समझ के यूज करना है। आपके पास 2 ही क्रॉस है, पूरा एंटायर ऑक्शन का प्रोसेस में 2 क्रॉस आपको मिल रहा है। आप कभी भी यूज कर सकते हो, अपने फायदे के लिए या आपके पड़ोसी के फायदे के लिए, किसी के लिए भी। एक सेकंड प्रिंस।
10,000 से बिडिंग स्टार्ट होता है। स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दैट से कृषि और अनुराग, से सपोज अनुराग इज द सेकंड हाईएस्ट 98,000।
ओके।
एंड दे बोथ पुट द क्रॉस, तो इसको मिल जाएगा, राइट?
हाँ।
ही कैन यूज दैट क्रॉस फॉर हिमसेल्फ।
हाँ, राइट।
मतलब
सो पॉइंट क्या है कि हाईएस्ट बिडर को अगर 2 क्रॉस मिलता है तो सेकंड हाईएस्ट बिडर वाला ले जा सकता है। और हम लोग का जो रूल है वो रूल है, वर्बली आप एक दूसरे से कोई बात नहीं कर सकते हो कि आप इसको क्रॉस डाल दो या इसको क्रॉस डाल दो। ऐसा अगर हमें कहीं भी ऐसा कुछ लगा कि आप लोग वर्बली बात कर रहे हो, कहीं हम लोग उसका क्रॉस ले लेंगे। सो प्लीज बी अवेयर। आपको जो कर रहा है, आप अपने टेक्स्ट में कुछ भी बात कर रहे हैं, आप अपने फोन से बात कर सकते हो, बट वर्बली कोई भी ऐसा बात नहीं आना चाहिए, राइट?
मतलब इशारों में बात कर सकते हो। अच्छा, इसमें टिप ये है कि क्रॉस तभी यूज करो जब तुम सेकंड बिडर हो रहे हो, ये याद रखना। इफ यू आर द थर्ड बिडर या फोर्थ बिडर, वहां पे क्रॉस का कोई मतलब नहीं है। फर्स्ट थिंग। सेकंड थिंग, क्रॉस, ये क्रॉस लेंड मतलब तुम लेंड कर रहे हो सामने वाले को, मतलब अगर तुम श्री के लिए क्रॉस यूज कर रहे हो तो श्री भी तेरे लिए क्रॉस यूज करेगा, ये सोच समझ के करना। डोंट वेस्ट योर क्रॉस। फर्स्ट और सेकंड के लिए ही एप्लीकेबल है। क्रॉस जो हो रहा है, जब लास्ट बिडिंग क्लोज हो जाएगा उसके बाद में फर्स्ट और सेकंड के लिए ही होगा। मतलब अगर तुम समझ ले इसके लिए बिडिंग किया, निकुंज के लिए तुम क्रॉस मार दिया और निकुंज बिडिंग में ही नहीं, तेरा क्रॉस वेस्ट हो गया।
ठीक है। अब ये बोल रहे हैं कि समझ लीजिए आज अंकित मेरे नाम, अब निकुंज और कृषि और अनुराग तीनों प्रिंस भैया के नाम पे गया, व्हिच क्रॉस विल बी काउंटेड?
जो हाईएस्ट बिडर होगा, इफ यू आर द हाईएस्ट बिडर, अगर तुम लाख रुपया समझ ले किसी भी जा रहे हो हाईएस्ट बिडर, तब वो कंसीडर किया जाएगा योर क्रॉस्ड आउट और नो। अगर
Pratul Todi. First name on the list, Pratul Todi. Good fielder. And a team player.
Diamond category.
Platinum category.
Diamond category.
Diamond category, sir. So bid starts from 16.
Music कर दो ना.
18 Krishi. 18 Krishi. 19 Shri. 20 Krishi. 21 Shri. 22. 24. 25. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29 Krishi. 30 Shri.
क्या बात है?
32 Shri.
क्या हमारा 30 है मेरा
34 Krishi. 36 Shri. 36 with Shri. 38 with Krishi Pratul Todi. 38. 40 with Shri. 40 with Shri right now. 42 with Krishi. 44 with Shri. 50 with Shri.
Master Blaster going for 50.
50. Pratul Todi. 50. 51. 52. 53 sold. Sold to Sri. Pratul Todi sold to Sri for 50k. 50,000. Committee member 12k with Anurag. 12k with Anurag. Giri Mundra. 13 Krishi. 14 with Nikunj. 22 Anurag. 23 with Ankit. 24. 24 with Anurag. 25 with Nikunj.
Suraj यहाँ पे अच्छा
26 with Anurag again. 26 with Anurag. Giriraj Mundra. 27 Nikhil. 28 Anurag. 29. 30 with Anurag. 32 with Nikunj. 32 with Warriors. 34 Yorkers. Giriraj Mundra hot cake हो गए भाई. Let's have a round of applause for Giri. 34 with Nikhil. 34 1. 34 for 2. 36 with Warriors. 36 with Warriors.
Anurag, you cannot talk in between.
34. 34. 36 with Nikhil again. 36,000. Giriraj. दिखा भाई कितने पैसे हैं. Show it up. Come on. 36 with the Yorkers. 36 for 1. 36 for 2. 36 for 3. Sold. 36,000 Giriraj Mundra sold to the Yorkers. Is there in the house? Come on, raise your hand, boy. Oh, that's the with Prince Aditya Haritwal, Platinum category, all-rounder, new to WPF, but you never know, he can be a dark horse. You can bet on him. Okay, 21,001, 21,002, and 21,003 sold to Prince. I think that's a smart selection.
Great buy.
Very nice buy. You never know. He's gonna be a dark horse, just like Nikunj for me last season.
21.
Okay, so the bid starts from 10,000. Anybody for Anand? Anand? Okay, 10,000. Anand. 10,000. 10,000. With Anurag. Anand ji for 10,000 with Anurag. Mavericks 10,001, 10,002 and 10,003 sold.
अभी या तो हिंदी को डालने के
Good batsman, good bowler, and very nice fielder.
He recently came on Saturday to play with us, and I would just say for Madhav, like he has the capability to defend your challenge over.
That's a great info, boy. So Madhav, 15,000 to start the bid. Anybody up for Madhav? Anu, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
अरे हम पे तो छोड़ दे तुम दिखाओ ना
मेरा काम है वो
21, 22, 23, 25, 26, 30,000, 32,000 for Madhav, 32,000 for Madhav. With Anurag, Mavericks, 34 with Nikunj, 36 with Mavericks again, 38, 40,000, 42,000, 44, 44,000, Madhav. With Anurag, you know. This is gonna be hell of the auction, you know. Everybody is bidding for the coolest player. He can defend your challenge over. Madhav, 44,001 with Mavericks. 46, 50, 50,
50 again with Mavericks.
50 again with Mavericks.
52,
52 with Prince. 54,
56,
56,
58,
58,
58,
58 with Mavericks.
60,
60 with Prince.
63
63,000
with Mavericks.
with Mavericks. The Mavericks is after Madhav. He seems to be a very, very good buy, you know. 63,001, 66,000 with Sri, 69 with Prince. 69 with Prince.
great
I'm loving the auction, boys. Come on. 72,000 Mavericks. Diamond category player getting that much of a bid is great excellency by the captains to understand cricket.
72,001,
72,001, 72,002, 75,000 with Prince. 75,000 with Prince.
rising star. 78,
78. 78,000 Madhav Rathi with Mavericks 1, Mavericks 2, 78,000 with Mavericks, Madhav Rathi 3. Sold. The podium.
nice
What do you think your performance gonna be like?
depends. I will give my 100% to 100% to win the trophy.
That makes sense. This is what we like from you. Thank you, boy. Thank you. Okay. 10,000 for Chirag. Anybody up for the bid? 10,000 for Chirag. Good fielder, right hand bowler. Pro bowler. Anybody up for the bid? Okay. Nobody. We will re-auction later.
अनफोल्ड किया है 20,000 उसको बोल दे क्या
Unsold for now.
अनफोल्ड का क्या कर रहा
नहीं अनफोल्ड का भी कोई रूल है क्या?
हाँ डबल से ब्लॉक हो जाएगा
Who you can bid for. So we start the bid from 15,000. 16 with Sri, 17 Ankit, 20, 21, 23, 24, 30,000. 32,000 Nitesh Bagri, 34 with Sri, 36 with Nikunj, 38 with Sri, 40,000 with Sri, 40,000 with Sri, Nitesh Bagri. I like the tempo, guys. Come on, pull it up, pull it up.
40,000 for Nitesh Bagri. 42,
42 with Ankit Gupta, 44 with Sri again, 46, 48, 48,000 with Sri, 48, 1, 50, 52,000 with Prince, 54,000 Sri. 56,000 Nikhil. 58,000 Sri again. 58,001. 60,000. 60,000 with Nikhil. 60,001 with Nikhil. 60,002. 60,003 sold. 60,000. 60,000 with Sri. They're not bothering about money, guys. They're just extending 10k, 10k. क्या 1,000 खेल रहा है, 10,000 खेलो. 60,000. 60,000 with Sri. Anirudh Bhaiya. 60,001. 60,002. 66,000. 69,000. 69,000 with Nikhil. 69,000 with Nikhil. 1. 69,000 with Nikhil. 2. 72,000 with Nikunj. 72,000 with Nikunj. 2. 75,000 with Nikhil. Yorkers. Come on, Warriors. Come on. 75,000. 75,001 with Warriors. 75,002 with Warriors. Yorkers. 75,002 with Yorkers. Anybody for the final round? 75,003. Sold Anirudh Bhaiya to the Warriors. That's a great buy. Very nice buy. Right-handed batsman, right-handed bowler. Fielding he can do 18. 16 with Anurag. 16. 17. 18. 20,000 with Sri. 21. 21,000. 5 with Sri again. 25 with Anurag. 26 with Sri. 27 with Anurag again. 28 with Sri. 34 with Sri. 36 with 38 with Sri again. 40,000 with Mavericks. 42,000. Mayank Agarwal. 42,000. 44 with Warriors. Nikunj. 46,000 with Sri. That's a hardcore buy here. Nice bidding. 48,000 with Nikunj. 50,000 with Sri again. 50,001 with Sri. 50,000. 52,000 Nikunj. 54,000 with Sri again. 54,000 with Sri. 54,001 with Sri. 54,002. 58,000 with Krishi. 60,000 with Sri. 60,001 with Sri. 60,002. 63,000 with Krishi. 66,000 with Sri. 66,000 with Sri. 1. 66,002 with Sri. 2. 66,000 sold to Sri. 11 with Ankit. 11 Ankit. 20,000 with Ankit. 20,000 with 1,000 with Mavericks again. 22. 23 with Nikunj. 24 with Ankit Gupta again. 24,000 Ankit Gupta for Akash Daga. 1. 24,000. 2. 25,000 with Rishi. 25,000 Akash Daga. 1 with Rishi. 25,000. 26,000 with Mavericks. 27,000 with Nikunj. 30,000 with Ankit Gupta. 30,001. 32,000 with Nikunj. 32,000 with Nikunj. 1. 32,000 with Nikunj. 2. 32,000 with Nikunj. 3. Sold. Akash Daga sold for 32,000 to Nikunj Jain. Right hand bowler, right hand batsman.
Who is on that?
16,000, 15,000 with Rishi, 16 with Ankit Gupta.
Round bowler है ना?
Round arm bowler.
backside fielder, good batsman, good bowler.
All rounder, 16, 17,000 with Rishi, 17, 18, 20 with Ankit Gupta, 21, 22, 23, 24, 30,000 with Rishi, 30,000 with Rishi.
Ankush and Abhishek strikers 30,001, 30,002, 30,003.
Monit sold to Rishi for 30,000.
I would just say if anyone among here have played season 5, so there was one player in Little Masters, Dibakar, the gym guy. Deep Chakravarti is just like a younger brother to that player. When he hits, the shot makes sound.
Let's hit him hard, boys. 20,000 for the platinum category. 32,000. 32,000. 34,000 with Nikunj again. Back to Nikunj. 36,000 Mavericks. 38,000. 40k. 42k with Nikunj. 42k with Nikunj, the Warriors. 44 with Mavericks again. 44 with Mavericks. Deep Chakravarti, an all-rounder, fast bowler, good fielder, very nice batsman. Platinum category, 46,000 with Sri. 46,000.
अरे 1 लाख का प्लेयर है भाई लोग.
46,000. 46,000 with Sri. 48 with Nikunj. क्या 2,000 बढ़ा रहे हो भाई? थोड़ा लंबा बोलो भाई, लंबा बोलो. 1 लाख का प्लेयर है.
जबरदस्त प्लेयर है बॉस. 50,000.
50,000. 50 तोला with Nikhil. 50,000. 50,000. 1. 52,000. 52,000 with Nikhil. With Nikhil. Nikunj. 52. 52 with Nikunj, Eden Warriors. 1. 54 with Nikhil. 54 with Nikhil. 1. 54 with Nikhil. 2. 56, 58, 60,000 with Ankit Gupta. 60,000 with Ankit Gupta.
60,000 with Shri, last में उठाया. 60,000 with Shri, वो last में उठाया. पहले अंकित उठाया, फिर निकुंज उठाया, फिर ये उठाया.
चलो भाई 60,000 श्री के पास. 60,000 with Shri. 1. 60,000 with Shri. 2. 63,000, 66,000, 69,000 with Nikunj, 69,000 with Nikunj, 69,000 with Nikunj 1, 69,000 with Nikunj 2, 69,000 with Nikunj 3. Sold. Deep Chakravarti is a great guy.
17 Ankit Gupta, 18 Shri, 18,000 Shri, 19 Ankit Gupta, 20,000 Shri, 21 Ankit Gupta, 24,000 Ankit Gupta for Nitin Baheti, 25 for Shri, 25 Shri for Nitin Baheti, 25,000. He's a peanut. He's a 26 with Ankit. Anyone? 27 with Shri. 27,000 for Nitin Baheti. Right arm batsman, right arm pace bowler. Nitin Baheti. 28 with Krishi. 28,000 with Krishi. 29 Shri. 29,000 Shri Mangalam Sureka. 30,000 Krishi. Krishi Chokhani. 32,000 with Shri. 34 with Krishi. 36 with Shri. 38 with Krishi again. 40 with Shri. 42 with Krishi. 44 Shri again. It's a tough fight. 46. 48 with Shri again. 50,000 with Krishi. 50,000. 52 with Shri for Nitin Baheti. 52 with Shri. Nitin Baheti 1. 52 Nitin Baheti. 54 with Krishi. 54,000. Krishi Chokhani is going for Nitin Baheti. 54 for Nitin 1 with Krishi. 54 for Nitin 2 with Krishi. 54 for Nitin goes to Krishi. Sold. Krishi has taken Nitin Baheti for 54,000. It's a goodbye. Anyone for Ankit Garg, right arm bowler, throw bowler, right hand batsman.
We'll come back to him again. So next,
A good batsman and a good pace bowler. Good medium fast bowler. Ayush Gupta for you at 15,000 guys. 15,000 for Ayush Gupta. Right hand batsman, good rotator, good pace bowler. Ayush Gupta at 15. Anyone? Ankit Gupta 53. 16,000 with Shri. 17 with Ankit. 18,000 with Shri. 18,000 for Ayush with Shri. 19,000 with Ankit Gupta. 20 with Shri. 21 with Ankit Gupta. 22 with Shri. 22 with Shri. 23 with Super Kings Ankit Gupta. 24 with Shri. It's a good fight. 25 with Ankit. Again. 26 with Shri. 26,000 for Ayush Gupta guys. Come on. बाकी सब सो क्यों रहे हैं? जागो. ग्राहक जागो. 26 with Shri. 26,000 Shri Mangalam Sureka. Ayush Gupta 1. 26,000 2 for Ayush Gupta with Shri. 26,000 3 goes to Shri. Ayush Gupta sold to Shri Mangalam Sureka at 26,000. It's a good buy. He's a good player. आ जाओ नहीं आ जाओ तुमको चेहरा देख के सब पहचान जाएगा यार He's from last 4 seasons आकाश हमारे साथ जुड़ा हुआ है 4 सीजन से जुड़ा हुआ है आकाश for the gold category आकाश is only available for 10k 10,000 anyone with for Akash at 10k anyone guys anyone Akash 10,000 with Prince 11,000 with Ankit Gupta for Akash 12,000 with Prince 12,000 for Akash 13,000 with Ankit Gupta again 13,000 14,000 Prince 15,000 Ankit Gupta 18 with Prince 17 with Ankit 18 with Prince 18,000 Akash Agarwal 19,000 with again 20,000 Prince 20,000 for Akash Agarwal इधर प्रिंस अग्रवाल, उधर आकाश अग्रवाल, इधर भी भाई भाई का चांस है बॉस। 21,000 for Akash. Good one, guys. Come on, anyone. 21 with Ankit Gupta for Akash Agarwal. 1. 22 with Prince. Prince भी छोड़ेगा नहीं. Prince लेके जाएगा घर. Prince का साला है. 22 with Prince. 1. 22 with Prince 2. 22 with Prince 3 goes to Prince Akash Agarwal. Gold category goes to Prince Agarwal at 22,000. Goodbye guys, come on. A round of applause for Akash. Make some noise.
Was Marcus captain season 5. सीजन 6 था बॉस.
6 में भी था, 5 में भी था.
2 सीजन का कैप्टन है बहुत बिडिंग के लिए. क्या बोलता है अपुल्लो, मांगता है कि नहीं मांगता है कैप्टन को?
The best leg spinner with Anurag at 15,000. Hriday Tiwari. 16,000 with Krishi. 17, 18 with Ankit Gupta.
30,000.
30,000. 31, 32 with Anurag. 34, 40, 42, 44,000 with Ankit Gupta. 40, 50,000 with Ankit Gupta for Hriday Tiwari, guys. Come on, make some noise. For Hriday, 50,000 with Ankit Gupta. For Hriday Tiwari, 52,000, 54, 56 with Anurag, 60,000 with Ankit Gupta. For Hriday Tiwari, the best leg spinner in WTF. Hriday Tiwari has played CAB, NCA, and WTF. Most important, has played WTF. Hriday Tiwari, 60,000 with Ankit Gupta right now. 60,001 with Ankit Gupta for Hriday Tiwari. 60,002 for Hriday with Ankit Gupta. 2. 60,000 with Ankit Gupta goes so 3. Super Kings Hriday. Can you come up please boys? Come on.
डायमंड जोकर.
जोकर. तो इसका मतलब है हृदय वॉज द जोकर. सो डायमंड कैटेगरी में 20% हाइक पे जाएगा. सो ही गोज फॉर 72,000 टू अंकित गुप्ता. हृदय तिवारी वॉज द जोकर गाइस. दैट वॉज अ गुड ट्विस्ट. हृदय थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग अप. थैंक यू.
Super King 17, 20,000, 25 with Super Kings 25,000, 26, 27, 28, 29 with Super Kings 29,000, 30,000, 32 with Super Kings 32,000, 34, 36 with Super Kings. Suraj Garg 36,000. He is the captain. 38, 40 with Eden Warriors. 42 with Ankit Gupta. 42, 44 with Eden Warrior. 46, 48,000 with Super Kings. 50,000, 52 with Super Kings. 54, 56, 56,000 with Eden Warriors. 56,000 with Eden Warriors. Suraj Garg going to 56,000 with Eden Warriors. 58,000 Ankit Gupta, the captain of Super Kings. 58,000 Suraj Garg won. 60,000 with Mavericks. 60,000 with Mavericks. Suraj Garg 60,000 with Mavericks going to 63,000 with Ankit Gupta back again. 63,000 with Ankit Gupta. Suraj Garg 1. 63,000 Ankit Gupta. Suraj Garg 2. 63,000 with Ankit Gupta. Super Kings. Suraj Garg 3. Okay, Suraj, now you have to.
First time in WTF season 7. Let's see how much he's gonna earn this time.
He is a left-arm fast bowler. Has always been the MVP in all the tournaments that he plays.
23,
22,
30,000,
30,000, 32, 34,
34 with Nikunj,
40,000,
40,000 with Shri,
42,
42 with Nikunj,
50,000,
50,000 Nikunj,
50,000, 52,
52 with Shri again, 54 with Nikunj,
54,
54 with Nikunj. The Eden Warriors 56 with Ankit Gupta. 60,000 with Nikunj. 60,000 guys, come on. He's a platinum category MVP player of the last tournament.
60,000,
60,000 one for Nikunj. 63,000 with Mavericks.
66,
66 with Nikunj.
66,
66,001. 69, 72 with Mavericks. 72,000 with Mavericks for JSA.
नहीं वो वही वाला हैंड रेज करके रखे थे नीचे
72,000
72,000
with Mavericks. 72,001. 72,002. 75 with Ankit Gupta. 78 with Nikunj. 78,001 for Jayesh. 78,002. 81,000 with Ankit Gupta. 81,001. Come on, captains, come on. He's a big shot, man. MVP player of the last tournament. 84. 84,001. 84,002. 87,000 with Ankit Gupta. 87,000 with Ankit Gupta. 87,001. 80. Okay.
69, 69, 69,000 with Mavericks, Jayesh Shah. 72, 72, 72,000 with Eden Warriors, Jayesh Shah 1. 72,000 with Eden Warriors 2. 72,000 with Eden Warriors 3.
That's a great buy. Jayesh Shah for 72,000 for the Eden Warriors, guys. That's a good buy. Well, he changed the game, man. He changed the game. In the last season, he literally changed the game.
अरे उनका डायलॉग भी बोलिए हम तो सी कैटेगरी प्लेयर है हम क्यों मारे
क्यों मारेगा भाई? 15,000, 20,000 with Shri. 21,000. 22,000. 22,000 with Shri. 1, 22,000, 23,000, 24,000, 25. अरे भाई लोग किसका वेट हो रहा है? 25,000 हो गया, चलो. 25,001 with Ankit Gupta. 26,000 with Mavericks. 26,001. 26,002. 27 with Ankit Gupta. 27,000. 1. 28,000 with Mavericks. 28,001. 28,002. 28,000 sold to Mavericks. 10,000.
Joel Mitchell is a pro bowler.
16 with Krishi. 17. Okay. 20,000 with Krishi.
20,000 with Krishi.
20,000 with Krishi 1. 20,000 with Krishi 2. 20,000 with Krishi 3 sold. Go on Mittal. Sold.
20,000.
20,000.
Come on, guys, come on.
20,000 for Rishi 21.
Yeah.
20, 21, 30,000 from Krishi. Shri, sorry, Shri. Good wicket keeper. 32,000 with Nikhil.
2000 नहीं मांगते, 10,000 मांगते, 10,000.
34,000 with Shri. 34,000. Abhishek Agarwal. 36,000. 38,000. 40,000.
42,
42,000.
44,
44, 46.
46,
46.
48,
48 with Nikhil.
48, then Yorkers,
48. The Yorkers. Come on, boys.
taking away
50,000. It is nothing, boy, for the player of this category. You have to raise your game. Come on.
He plays by heart.
He plays by heart.
50,000,
52,000.
54,
54 with Sri.
54 with Master Blaster,
54,001. 54,000. 56,000. 58,000. 60,000. 63,000. 63,001 with 66,000 with Nikhil. Yorkers 66,000. 69,000 with Sri.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
अब मजा आ रहा है गेम में भाई लोग. 69,000
69,000 with Master Blaster,
with Master Blasters 1, Masters Blast 2, 69,000, 69,000, 3 sold to Sri.
Don't go with the picture. He will not shoot anyone, guys. He is very calm. Throw bowler, off spin करते हैं. Left hand batsman. Right hand bowler, left hand batsman. He is a good batsman, good throw bowler. Anyone for Ankit Mehta at 10,000. Anurag, तुम रेस किया क्या कुछ? Okay. So 10,000 for Ankit Mehta. Right hand bowler, spinner, all round. For Ankit Mehta at 10,000. 10,000 with Ankit. Ankit Gupta, Super Kings at base price for Ankit Mehta.
Ankit goes to Ankit in 10,000.
Ankit Mehta 10,001 to Ankit Super Kings 10,000 to Super Kings 11,000 with Sri. Master Blasters have came 11,000 12,000 with Ankit again. Super King Master Blasters 12,000 12,000 with Master Blasters for Ankit Mehta. 12,000 with 13,000 with Ankit. 14 with Sri, 15 with Super Kings, 16 with Master Blasters. Sri will not leave. 16 with Master Blasters currently for Ankit Mehta. 16,001. 17,000 with Super Kings. 17,000 with Super Kings. 1 for Ankit Mehta. 18,000 with Nikunj. Eden Warriors. A surprise package. 18,000 with Eden Warriors 1. 18 Eden Warriors 18,000 for Ankit Mehta 2. Eden Warriors 80,000 for Ankit Mehta goes 3. Sold. Ankit Mehta 2 Eden Warriors.
Gold in Mighty Bulls. He is keeping that brand on in all the tournaments, you know. I have played under him.
Bowling, batting और
Bowling, batting and anger. पिस्तौल इसके हाथ में चाहिए था boys.
अरे इनका मुंह में पिस्तौल.
मुंह में पिस्तौल है माँ.
He travels only business class in Vistara.
जब से विस्तारा में चढ़ा एयरलाइन ही बंद हो गया.
वहाँ भी गाली दे दिया.
वहाँ भी दे दिया हमारे. चलो, let's start. 20,000. Anybody? Kushal, Agarwal. Come on boys, come on. He's a regular within us, यार. Come on.
चैलेंज हो डिफेंड करता हूँ.
Challenge हो निकाल दे दवाई.
अभी नहीं लेगा ना.
20,000.
करेगा.
Anybody? I'll count 3. Okay, 20,000. Ankit Gupta. It's a nice buy, man. 20k is nothing for him. 20,000. 1. 20,000. 2. 20,000. 3. Sold to Ankit Gupta. Kushal Agarwal. Right arm batsman, right arm bowler, very nice fielder again. He is a very good team player, and we start the bidding with 20k. So 20,000 for Kunal Dujari. Anybody? $22,000 with Mavericks again. 22,000 Mavericks के साथ. 23,000 Ankit Gupta. 24 with Mavericks. 25 with Ankit Gupta. 26 with Mavericks again. 27 with Ankit Gupta. 28 with Mavericks. 29 with Ankit Gupta. 29,000 with Mavericks. So 29,000 with Mavericks 1. Ankit Gupta 29,001. 29,002 with Ankit Gupta. 29,000 sold to Ankit Gupta. Kunal Dujari.
अंकित का फुल हो गया, फुल हो गया अंकित का.
पूले अंकित गुप्ता का फुल.
मेरे दिल का सोना देखा ये तेरी चांद बालियां है होठों पे गालियां. ये तेरी चांद बालियां है होठों पे गालियां. सोचने का मौका ना दिया. मैं तो तेरे पीछे हो लिया. मैं तो तेरे पीछे हो लिया. छुट्टी अमृतसरिया दिल कमजोर है मेरा. मुख जाने नखरे तेरे इश्क नहीं मुखड़ा. पक्का है प्रॉमिस जटेगा. लड़े नैनों के पीछे वो दूर से मुझको खींचे. लड़े नैनों के पीछे वो दूर से मुझको खींचे. डोर तू पतंग मैं तेरा. मैं तो तेरी छत पे जा गिरा. हो मैं तो तेरे पीछे हो लिया. मैं तो तेरे पीछे हो लिया. लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे अपना बना ले मेरी जान. हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान. बरेली वाला कानों में ऐसा डाला झोंके ने ले ली मेरी जान. हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान. गजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला. गजरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला. गजरे ने ले मेरी जान.
Category, the bid starts from 15,000. All round player, boys. Challenge or 15,000 for Saurabh Devra. Let me hear something. 3 Master Blaster for Saurabh at 15k. 15,000 from Master Blasters for Saurabh. He's an all-round sportsman. Saurabh Devra. 16 with Ankit Gupta. 20,000 for Ankit. 21,000 Master Blaster Sri Mangalam Sureka. 21,000 with Sri for Saurabh Devra. Guys, Master Blasters 23,000. 25 with 26 with Sri. 27 with Ankit. 27 with Ankit Gupta, Super 28 with Sri Mangalam Sureka, 29 with Ankit Gupta, 29 for Saurav Devra to Ankit Gupta, 30,000, 32,000 for Ankit Gupta, 32,000 Super Kings for Saurav Devra, 34,000, 36,000, 38,000 with Sri, 40,000 with Ankit again, 42 with Sri, 44 with Ankit, 44,000 for Saurav Devra from Super Kings is a peanut. I tell you, other captains, come on, Jago, Graf, Jago. 46, 48, 48 with Ankit Gupta, 50,000 with Sri, 52 with Ankit Gupta again, 54 with Sri, 54 for Saurav Devra with Sri, 54 with Sri. Let me check कि श्री जा सकता है कि नहीं. 1 second. 54 with Sri for Saurav Devra. 56 Sri 56 तक जा सकता है खाली. So I think this was the last bid from Sri. 54,000 with Sri right now for Saurav Devra. 56 with Ankit. 56,000 for Saurav Devra from Super Kings. Saurav Devra 56,000. 1. Ankit Gupta Super Kings for 58,000 with Krishi Chokhani, the new entrant Krishi Chokhani in the house, boys. Thunder Strikers. बिजली गिरा दिया भाई. 58,000 with Krishi for Saurav. 60,000 with Ankit Gupta. 60,000 with Ankit Gupta. 1. 60,000 with Ankit Gupta. 2 for Saurav Devra. 63,000 with Krishi again. Thunder Strikers. 63,000 for Saurav Devra. 1. Thunder Strikers 63,000 for Saurav Devra. 2. 66 with Ankit. Super Kings. Anyone 66 with Super Kings. 66 1. 66,002 with Super Kings for Saurav Devra. 66,000 3 goes to 16,000 with Krishi. 18,000 with 20,000 with Krishi, 21 with Anurag, 22 with Krishi, 23 with Anurag, 24 with Krishi, 25 Anurag, 30,000 with Krishi, 32,000 with Anurag, 34,000 with Krishi, 36 with Anurag, 38 with Krishi, 38 Thunder Strikers, 38 for Om Agarwal, guys, come on. 40,000 with Anurag. Mavericks 42,000 with Krishi again, 42,000 for Om Agarwal. Thunder Strikers 44,000 Anurag, 46,000 Thunder Strikers, 46,000 guys, come on. 46. Oh, Nick Kunj, Eden was 60,000, 50,000, 50,000, 52 with Thunder Strikers, 52,000 with Thunder, 54,000 Nikun Jain, Eden Warriors, 54,000 with Nikun Jain, Om Agarwal with Eden Warriors at 54,001. Oh, new ended again. It's Rising Stars, Prince Agarwal, 56,000 for Om Agarwal. Agarwal.
With full bucket.
Great guy, great. 56,000 with Rising Star for Om Agarwal 1. 56,000 with Prince. 58 again. 58 with Nikon Eden Warriors. 58,000 for Om. 58,000 for Om with Eden Warriors 1. 60,000 with Anurag. Mavericks. Boss. क्या बात है भाई, छा गए. 2 बार खेल के आप छा गए सर. 60,000, 63,000, 63,000 guys, 63,000. 63,000 with Eden Warriors for Om Agarwal 1. 63,000 with Eden Warriors 2. 66,000 Krishi again. Thunder Strikers with 66,000. Nikunj is out of the bidding. 66,500 is the last bidding, so you cannot bid. 66,000 with Thunder Strikers right now. For Om Agarwal goes for 1. 66,000 with Thunder Strikers 2. 66,000, 2 Thunder Strikers, 3 sold 2 Thunder Strikers, Om Agarwal. Very good buy. 66,000, 2 Thunder Strikers, Om Agarwal. 15,000 with Sri, he's already started. Sri with 15,000 for Harshan. 19 with Sri, 20 with Anurag, 21 with Sri, 22 with Anurag, 22, 21 with 20, 30,000, 30,000. भाई का प्यार जागा 31,000, 32,000 with Sri, 32,000 with Sri, 32,000 with Sri. Sri ने सोच लिया है भाई को हम ही लेंगे. 34, 36,000 with Sri, 36 with Sri. He's a right hand bowler, fast bowler. 36 for Harshan, right hand batsman, hard hitter. 40,000, 40,000 with Nikunj, hidden ball. 42,000 with Sri Mangalam Surekha, Master Blasters. 42,000. Master Blasters, 42,000 for Harshan. Guys, anyone for Harshan? 42,000 right now with Sri. 42,001 for Sri. 42,000 for Harshan. 2 with Sri. 46 with Prince. 46 with Prince. 48 with Sri. 48 with Sri. 48 Master Blasters for Harshan. 50,000 Prince and 1. 50,000 for Harsh Agarwal. Prince Agarwal is bidding 2. 50,000 for Harshan goes to Prince Agarwal. 3. Sold. 50,000 to Prince Harshan. Go 15,000 with Sri Master Blasters. 16,000 with Ankit Gupta for Harsh Chaudhary. 16, 17, 18,000, 19,000 for Harsh with Sri. 19,000 already you are there. 20,000 with Sri again. 21,000. 25 with Ankit Gupta. 26, 30,000 with Ankit. 31, 32,000 with Sri. 34,000 with Ankit. 36,000 with Sri. 38 with Ankit Gupta. 40,000. 42,000 with Sri. 44,000 with Ankit Gupta. 44,000 with Ankit Gupta for Harshvardhan Chaudhary. He's a left arm bowler, good pace bowler, right hand batsman, good athlete. 42,000. 44,000 with Ankit Gupta, Super Kings right now. Harshvardhan Chaudhary.
And that is his last bid. He cannot go beyond 44.
46,000. Here comes Thunder Strikers. 46,000. Krishi Chokhani for Harshvardhan at 46,000. 46,000. Anyone else, guys? Come on. 46. Can we hear any bidding? 48,000. Again a new entry. Nikhil Agarwal. 48. 50,000 with Krishi. 50,000 for Harsh. 50,000 for Harsh with Krishi Chokhani. 50,000 for Harsh with Krishi Chokhani. 1. 52,000 with Nikhil. 52,000 with Nikhil. The Yorkers going to bowl everyone. 52,000 for Harsh 1. 52,000 for Harsh 2. 52,000 for 54 with Nikunj. 54. What a twist. What a twist, guys. 54 with Nikunj. Hidden Warriors is in the picture. 54,000 for Harsh 1. 54,000 with Hidden Warriors. 56,000 Nikhil again. The Yorkers 56,000 for Harsh at 56,001. 56,000 for Harsh 2. 56,000 with Yorkers for Harsh 3. Go sold to the Yorkers. Nikhil Agarwal. The player was Harshvardhan Chaudhary. 56,000. Great buy, boys. Good one. With Krishi, Harsh Mishra. 15,000 with Krishi. 16, 17 with Ankit Gupta. 17 with Ankit Gupta right now for Harsh Mishra. 18,000 with Sri. 18,000 with Sri. 19,000 with Harsh. 20 with Krishi. With Sri. 20,000 with Sri right now for Harsh Mishra. 20,000 Harsh Mishra, 21,000, 22,000, 23,000 with Sri, 24,000 with Ankit, 25 with Sri, 26 with Ankit, 27 with Sri, 28 with Ankit, 29 with Sri, 30,000 for Harsh Mishra with Ankit Gupta, 32,000 with Sri, 34,000 for Ankit, 36 with Shri, 38 with Ankit, 40,000 with Shri, 42 for Ankit, 44 with Shri for Harsh Mishra, guys. Good one. 44 with Sri Mangalam Surekha, Harsh Mishra, a good player, very good athlete, guys. Very good athlete, good. He was in the platinum category in the earlier seasons, guys. Earlier season, he was in the platinum category. With Nikunj, 46,000 with Nikunj. Eden Warriors is in the picture right now. Eden Warriors, 46,000 for Harsh Mishra. Eden Warriors 3. Sold to Eden Warriors at 46,000. Very good buy. Very good buy. Super Kings for 11,000 with Shri. 12,000 with Ankit. 12,000 for Shreyash Mohta with Super Kings. 12,000. 12,001, 12,001, 13,000 with Krishi, 13,000, 14,000 with 15,000 with Ankit, 16,000 with Nikunj, 17,000 with Ankit, 70,000 with Ankit Gupta, Super Kings for Shreyash Mohta, 1, 18,000, 19,000 with Ankit again, 20,000, 21,000 with Ankit again, 21,000 with Ankit again for Shreyash Mohta, 21,000, 21,001, 21,000 for Shreyash Mohta, Super Kings 2, 23,000, 24,000, 24 with Ankit Gupta, Shreyash Mohta के लिए 24 with Ankit Gupta 1, 24 with Super Kings 2, 25,000 with Nikunj for Shreyash Mohta, 25,000 for Shreyash Mohta 1, 26,000 with Ankit Gupta for Shreyash 1, 26,000 for Shreyash Mohta 2, 26,000 for Shreyash Mohta from Super Kings 3, sold to Super Kings at 26,000. Congratulations, guys. Congratulations. 26,000 to
10,000. Anybody? 10,000 for Amit Agarwal. 11, 10. Okay, 10. Anybody? 11,000 Amit Agarwal, Krishi 1. Amit Agarwal, 11,000, Krishi 2. 11,000 Amit Agarwal, Krishi 3. Sold. Throw bowler, right arm batsman, good fielder, wicket taker, brother of Undertaker. Okay, which tree? 10,000. Come on, guys, pump it up. 11,000 Nikhil. 11,000 with Nikhil. 12,000 with Sri. 12,000 Nayan Agarwal. 13,000 Nikhil. 13,000 pro bowler. 14 with Sri. 14 with Sri. 15 with Nikhil again. 15,000 Nikhil. 15,001. 15,002. 16,000 with Sri. 16,000. 16,001 with Sri. 16,002. 16,003 sold to Sri.
Ankit Sharma. Anyone for Ankit Sharma? 20,000. Do not try to use cross. Anyone? So Nikunj and Ankit Gupta are out. Nikhil Agarwal for 20,000. Ankit Sharma. All-rounder, fast bowler, a game changer. 20,000. Ankit Sharma with the Yorkers. 1. Ankit Sharma with the Yorkers. 20,000. 2. Ankit Sharma 20,000 with the Yorkers. 3. A very good buy at the
15,000. 15,000. Manisha, 15,000. Anybody for Manisha? Manisha, 15,000. Anybody? Okay, 15,000 with Ankit Gupta. 15,000 with Ankit Gupta. 2. 15,000 with Ankit Gupta. 3 sold out.
He completed his diamond and platinum gold.
Diamond and
गुड प्लेयर, राइट आर्म राउंड आर्म बॉलिंग करेगा, स्पिन बॉल करता है, कंट्रोल है बॉलिंग में, ऐसा नहीं है। इज इनटू गेम्स, खेलता है, पहले बहुत खेलता था, अभी नया वापस चालू किया खेलना। गुड प्लेयर, अगर छक्का ही मार सकता है, मतलब इसके बैट से सिक्सेस भी निकलते हैं। सो वोट बीट अकॉर्डिंगली।
No further explanation.
14,001, 14,002, 15,000 with Krishi. 15,000 with Krishi 1, 15,000 with Krishi 2, 15,000 with Krishi 3 sold out. Abhinesh Sao. In-house, Mr. Rohan Singh. Everybody. Rohan Singh, platinum player, tournament in Calcutta, and really performing well with his bowling and batting skill. What you?
बोलूंगा मैं बस ठीक है, जिस भी टीम में जाऊंगा जिताऊंगा।
जिस टीम में जाएगा उसी टीम में जिताएगा। Okay, 1,000, 22,000 with Rich, 23, 24, 25, 36,
Anurag Krokonda. 36, 38,
40, 54, look, 56, 58, 60, 62, 63,
26,
26, 27, 28, 28 with 3, 29, 30, 32,
30,
30,
30 with 3,
32, 32 with Mavericks,
34,
34 with 3,
36,
36 with Mavericks,
38,
38,
40,
40, 40 with Mavericks,
अरे बेस्ट प्लेयर बचा अभी गोल्ड।
40 with Mavericks, already there.
40 with you only.
40 with Mavericks 1, 40 with Mavericks 2, 40 with Mavericks 3 sold out. 36 with Anurag. 36,000, 38,000, 40,000, 42, 42 with 3, 44 with Anurag, 46, 46 with 3, 48 with Anurag again, 50 with 3, 52, 52 with Mavericks, 52 with Mavericks 1, 52 with Mavericks 2, 52 with Mavericks 3, so 54, 54, 54, late का, 56, पहले उठाओ लेट हो रहा है, 56 with Mavericks, 56 with Mavericks 1, 56 with Mavericks 2, 56 with Mavericks 3 sold. So platinum category player goes Pawan Sureka. किसका gold है? Okay, 10,000 with Shri. 10,000 with Shri 1. Okay, 11,000 Nikhil. Nikhil 11,000. 12,000 with Shri. 12,001. Okay, Nikhil again 13. 13,000 with Nikhil. 13,001, 13,002, 13,003 sold. Devan Saraf sold for 13,000. With Shri, 17 with Shri, 18 with Prince, 19 with Shri again, 19 with Shri again, 20 with Prince, 21, 21 with Shri, 22 with Prince, 23 with Shri, 23 with Shri, 23 with Sri, 24 with Prince, 25 with Sri again, 25,000, 26,000 with Prince, 27,000 with Sri, 27,001, 28,000 with Prince, 1, 28,000, 29,000 with Nikunj, 29,000 with Sri, 32, 34, 34,000 with Sri, 34,001, okay, 36,000 with Prince, 36,001, 36,002, 38,000 with Nikunj, 38,000 with Nikunj, 1, 38,000 with Nikunj, 2, 40,000 with Prince, 40,000 with Prince, 1, 40,000 with Prince, 2, 40,000 with Prince, 3, sold. Very good Yorkers. 20,000, anybody? 20,000 Ritesh, 20,000 for Ritesh, anybody? Come on guys, इनके Yorkers नहीं खेल पाओगे, कोई नहीं खेल पाओगे. He's a pinch hitter, power hitter. Whenever you give him the bat, he'll win you in power plays, be it batting, bowling. He's that category of a player. 20,000 anybody? Platinum category player, Ritesh, 20,000. With Krishni, 20,000. 20,001, 21,000, 21,000. Let's wrap it up, guys. Come on. 22, 30,000, 30,000, 40,000 with Sri, 40,000 with Sri, 42,000 with Krishi, 44, 44,000 with Krishi, 46,000, 48,000, 50,000, 52,000, 54,000, 54,000 with Krishi, 1, 54,000, 56,000 with Sri again, 56,000 with Sri, 1, 56,000 with 58,000 with Krishi, 58,000 with Krishi, 1, 60,000 with Sri, 60,001, 60,002, 60,000 for Anushka Julia, sold to Sri. So a very decent player, Sandeep Khanna. अभी last week ही हम लोग के साथ खेल रहा था. हाँ, अच्छा player है, decent. 15,000 with Nikunj, 1. 15,000 with Nikunj, 2. 16,000 with Nikhil. 16,000 with Nikunj. Okay, 20,000. 21,000 with Krishi. 22. 22 with Nikunj. 22,000 with Nikunj. 1. 22,000 with Nikunj. 2. 23 with Nikhil. 24,000 with Nikhil. 24 with Nikunj 1, 24,000 with Nikunj 2, 25,000 with Krishi, 25,000 with Krishi 1, 26,000, 26,001, 26,002 to Nikunj, okay, 27, 27 with Krishi, 28,000 with Nikunj, 29, 30,000, 30,000 with Nikunj 1, 30,000 with Nikunj 2, 30,000 with Nikunj 3, sold. पहले कुछ नहीं उखाड़ सकता जब ये करा है फील्ड पे. Okay, let's start from 10k. 10,000 for Piyush. We all know जो game changer में इसने किया है last season. Everybody remembers. 10,000 for Piyush. 1. Come on, guys. Okay, 10,000 with Shri. 10,000 with Shri. 1. 10,000 with Shri. 2. Anybody else, guys? Come on. 10,000 with 11,000 with Anurag. Now it's going up, boys. 11,000, 12,000 with Shri. 13,000. 14, 15. Wow, this is called bidding. Yeah, दिल से खेल रहे हैं सब. Golden Heart. 15,000. 15,000 with Nikunj 1. 15,000 with Nikunj 2. 15,000 with Nikunj 3. Okay. 16,000. बहुत लेट है. 16,000 with Nikhil. 1. 16,000 with Nikhil. 2. 16,000. Everybody, please focus. 17,000. 17,000 with Anurag. 17,000 with Anurag. Anybody else? 17,000 with Anurag 1. 17,000 with Anurag 2. 18,000 with Nikhil. 18,000 1 with Nikhil. 19,000 with Anurag. 19,001 with Anurag. 90,002. 19,000. 20,000 with Nikhil. 20,000 with Nikhil 1. 20,000 with Nikhil 2. 20,000 with Nikhil 3. Sold.
Bajaj at 10,000. Anyone, guys? 10,000 base price at 10,000. Nikunj Eden Warriors for Rupam Bajaj at 10,000. 10,000 for Rupam Bajaj from Eden Warriors. 1. 10,000 sold to Eden Warriors. Rupam Bajaj at base price 10,000. For Ankit Negania, anyone? Anyone for Ankit Negania at 50,000. Right arm bowler, right arm super fast bowler. 15,000. Anyone? Can I see anybody? Yes, Nikunj Jain for 15,000. At 15,000 for Ankit Negania. At 15,000 for Ankit Negania. Eden Warriors. Eden Warriors. Anyone else? Anyone else for Ankit Negania? 15,001. 15,002. 50,003. Sold to Eden Warriors. Ankit Negania. Round of applause for Ankit. Platinum category Ashutosh Agarwal at 20,000.
15,000 में जाके तुम बोल रहे क्रॉस यूज करेगा.
Okay. Can we see any biddings for Ashutosh Agarwal? Ashutosh Agarwal at 20,000. 20,000 with Krishi. 20,000 for Ashu. 20,000. 21,000. 21,000 with Mavericks. 21,000 for Ashu. 22,000. एक हजार नहीं सूट नहीं करता बॉस उसको. 22 with Mavericks. 22 with Mavericks. 23 with Krishi. 23 with Thunder Strikers. 24 with Ashu. 24 Mavericks. 25 30,000. 32 with Mavericks. 32 with Mavericks for Ashu. 32 34 36 with Mavericks. 36 for Ashu. 36 for Ashu. 38 with Krishi for Ashutosh Tibrewal. He is a right-arm fast bowler, right-hand batsman, a great champion player. Never played with us in WTF in any season. 38,000 with Thunder Strikers. 38,000 with Thunder Strikers. 40,000 for with Mavericks. 40,000 with Mavericks. 42 with Thunder Strikers. Don't talk, guys. Come on. आपस में एक दूसरे को क्रॉस मत कर देना तुम लोग. 42 with Krishi, 42,000, 42,000. Guys, please, core team और बाकी जन को पीछे भेजो. Core team, बाकी जन को पीछे भेजो please. 42 with Krishi for Ashutosh 1. 42,000 with Krishi for Ashutosh 2. 44,000. 44. Anurag, did you bid? 44 with Nikhil. 46 with with Krishi. 46,000. You can use your power. 46 with Krishi right now for Ashu. 46,1. 46,000 for Ashu 1. 46,000 for with Krishi. With Krishi. 48,000 with Nikhil. 50,000 with Krishi. 52 with Nikhil. 54 with Krishi. 54,000 for Ashu with Krishi. 54,000. 54,1. 54,001. 54,000 with Krishi 1. 58,000 with Krishi Thunder Strikers. 58,001. 60,000 with Nikhil. 60,000 with Nikhil. 63,000 with Krishi. 63,000 with Krishi. 66,000 with Nikhil. 69,000 with Krishi. 72. 1 second. 5. 78. 81. 81 with Krishi. Anyone else? 81 के ऊपर कोई जा सकता है क्या? 81,000 फाइनल कोई जा सकता है? अनुराग, do you want to bid? 81,000 with Krishi 1. 81,000 with Krishi 2. 84,000 with Prince. With Prince, Rising Stars has risen right now, and 84,000 for 87,000 with Krishi again. 87 with Krishi. Krishi कहाँ तक जा सकता है?
108 तक.
Krishi can go up to 101 and Prince can go up to
118.
Oh, Prince can go higher. So 87 right now with Krishi 1.
Prince is the daddy right now.
Prince is the big daddy. 87,000 with Krishi right now. 87,001. Anurag can go till 95,000. Anurag, you can go.
9,500.
95,000.
90,500.
Oh sorry, 90,500. Sorry, 90,500. Anurag जा सकता है, but अभी 87 पे Krishi है for Ashutosh 1. 87,000 for 90,000. 90,000 with Prince. 90,000 right now. Ashu is going for the high. 93 with Krishi. 93,000 for Ashu with Thunder Strikers 1. 93,000 guys. 93,000. एक बार तालियां हो जाए बॉस. 93,000 के लिए आशुतोष टेब्रेवाल 1. 93,000 with Thunder Strikers 2. 93,000 with Ashu. 96 with Prince. 96,000. 99.
The last bid from Krishi 99,000. 99,001, 99,002, 99,003. So Atushos gold to Thunder Strikers at 99,000.
20,000 for Uttam Sikaria with Krishi 1. 20,000 for Uttam Sikaria to Krishi 2. Uttam Sikaria, platinum category player. 20,000 with Krishi. 3 goes to Krishi at 20,000. Uttam Sikaria. Krishi has said Ashish Kapoor at 15,000. Shri, concentrate on the bidding boy. Captains, please, इधर देखो यार. अभी उसको अंचोल डालने. 15,000 with Krishi, Ashish Kapoor. Ashish Kapoor with Krishi at 15,000. He's a great bowler. Lefty batsman, right arm bowler, pace bowler. Plays regularly with WPS. Ashish Kapoor at 15,000 with Krishi. 15,001, 16,000 with Nikhil, 17,000, 18,000 with Nikhil, 20,000 and 19,000 with Krishi, 20,000, 21 with 22 with Krishi again, 22, 23 with Nikhil, 24 with Krishi, 25 with Nikhil, 26 with Krishi, 27 with Nikhil, 28 with Krishi, 29 with Nikhil, 30 with Krishi, 32 with Nikhil, 32 Ashish Kapoor, 32 with Nikhil, 32,000 with the Yorker, 32,000. 32,000 with Nikhil, 1. 32,000 with Nikhil, 2. 32,000 with Nikhil, 3. Goes sold to the Yorkers, Ashish Kapoor, 32,000 sold to Ashish Kapoor. Great round of applause, guys. Ashish Kapoor is the most wanted. Kunal Khanna, platinum category. Kunal Khanna, guys. Make some noise for Kunal Khanna. Right hand batsman, right arm pace bowler, the most wanted, the most eligible bachelor in Kolkata, Kunal Khanna. 20,000 with Krishi. 20,000 with Krishi right now.
So only Anurag, Krishi and Nikhil can bid for Kunal, and Nikhil can go up till 47.5.
Krishi 20, 21 with Mavericks, 30,000, 32,000, 40,000 with Krishi, 40,000, 50,000 with Mavericks, 50,000, 52, sorry, 60 with 60,000 with Krishi. एक सेकंड, Mavericks अब कितना जा सकता है? Okay, 70,000, 70,000 with Mavericks for Kunal, 80,000 with Krishi. क्या bidding चल रहा है बॉस? 80,000 with Krishi. 90,000 is the highest bid. 93,000 with Krishi, and he is the highest bidder. 93,000 sold to Thunder Strikers. Kunal Khanna is in Thunder Strikers with Krishi Chauhani. 93,000 boys. 93,000, the second highest bidder right now in Khanna. 84 sold to Thunder Strikers. Kunal Khanna at 84,000. For platinum category, and Pawan Sureka के खास मित्र हैं. He is a dedicated right arm bowler, right hand batsman. एक सेकंड.
खास प्लान कुछ नहीं है. A good player, sensible batsman है. गेम को कैरी करना जानता है. He knows when to hit sixes and when, according to him.
So platinum category, Samik Das at 20,000. At 20,000, Samik Das. 20,000. 20,000. Can we have Samik Das on screen? Samik Das on screen right now. Samik Das, 20,000. Samik Das is a good bowler, good batsman. Batsman अच्छा है, bowler थोड़ा A है, but batsman पवन के साथ A+ है. He is a good batsman, very good batsman. Samik Das goes. Oh, we have a bidder. 20,000 for Samik Das. Nikhil, the Yorkers has bidden for Samik Das at 20,000. 20,000 for Samik Das with Nikhil. 1. Samik Das, 20,000 with Nikhil. 2. 20,000 Samik Das goes to Nikhil. 3. Sold to the Yorker Samik Das from the diamond category at 15,000 guys. दादा हमारे साथ शुरू से जुड़े हुए हैं, and he has been the captain. 2 साल हमारे साथ कैप्टन रहे हैं द बंगाल टाइगर्स के. एक बार कप भी जीता है. सौरदीप कर at 50,000, 15,000 only. Anyone guys? 15,000. Sauradip the Bengal Tiger at 15,000. 15,000 for Sauradip. 15 for Sri with Sri 15,000. Sauradip the 15,000 with Sri at 15,000. 1. 15,000 with Sri. 2. 16,000 with Nikunj. 16,000 with Nikunj. Oh, 30,000. Double the bid. 30,000 with Nikunj for Sauradip. For Sauradip, the 30,000 with Eden Warriors. 30,000. 1. 30,000. 2. 30,000. 32,000 with Krishi. 32,000 with Krishi for Sauradip, the 32,000. He's a great batsman, great athlete, great fielder, great bowler. 50,000. 50,000 guys. 52,000. 52,000 60,000, 60,000, 60,000.
इसका मैक्सिमम कितना है?
B के लिए कितना है? कृषि कितना है? 60,000 with Eden for me. 67,500.
लास्ट प्लेयर है
Last year.
अभी जा ही सकता है
67,500. All in. So he's 70.
वो
70,000. 70,000 for Shoradita with Eden Warrior. 70,000. Great round of applause. 70,000 for Shoradita. Agarwal 15,000. 16, 17 with Krishi, 17,000 with Krishi, 18,000 with Shri, 18,000 for Sahil, 19,000 with 19,000, 20,000 with Shri, 21,000 with Krishi, 22,000, 23,000 with Anurag, 24,000 with Shri, 25 with Anurag, 30,000 with Krishi, 30,000, 32, 34 with Anurag, 36 with Krishi, 38 with Anurag, 38, 40 with Shri, 40,000 Sahil Agarwal, 42,000 with Anurag, 50,000, 52,000 with Anurag, 52 with Anurag, 60,000, 62, 63,000 with Anurag,
उसका तो होगा ही नहीं
1 second, नहीं 63 बोला वो।
अरे वो ही नहीं
अनुराग
सकता ना उसका तो एक गोल्ड 500 तो जा सकता है
67 जा सकता वो
68,500 तक अनुराग जा सकता है 60 एक सेकंड हाँ वो 67,500 है एक सेकंड ऑल इन है और अनुराग इज गोइंग ऑल इन 68,500 लास्ट प्लेयर था तेरा
नहीं एक प्लेयर है तो ठीक है
ओके 68,500
अरे वो जंप कर गया ना 50 जंप कर रहा है सब
63 उसका
अरे सब जंप कर रहा है
भाई जंप नहीं कर सकता ऐसे
कैसे?
को समझना होगा 1000 2000
अरे नहीं ऐसे नहीं हो रहा है 30 40 50 60 कर ही रहा है सब
नहीं वो लास्ट प्लेयर जब तुम्हारा बचा तब तुम ऑल इन कर सकता है वहाँ पे
क्या बोल रहा है
अरे नहीं लिमिट तक अब जितना जा सकता है
हाँ तो बट लेकिन उसको वो मेंटेन करना
नहीं, अरे वो मेंटेन स्टार्टिंग से नहीं कर रहे हम लोग हाँ
2,500 हो रहा है भाई
अरे हम लोग स्टार्टिंग से मेंटेन नहीं कर रहे हैं
कौन मेंटेन नहीं कर
कोई नहीं कर रहा 20 30 40 सब बंद क्यों जंप करने लगा रहा है
68,500 with Anurag
हाँ
Sahil Agarwal goes to Mavericks single-handed Sahil Agarwal to Mavericks at 68,500 sold right hand batsman right hand bowler round arm bowler and a good 11,000 from Rising Stars 12,000 with Shri at Master Blasters 12,000 13,000 14,000 with Master Blasters 14,000 15,000 16,000 again 17,000 with Prince Rising Stars 17,000 with Rising Stars 18,000 with Master Blaster 18,000 for Gaurav Agarwal 19,000 with Prince Rising Stars 19,000 for Gaurav 20,000 with the Master Blasters 20,000 with Master Blasters 1 20,000 with Master Blaster 2 21,000 22,000 with Shri Master Blasters 22,000 1 23,000 Prince Madhav you can sit down please sit down nobody can prompt guys please 23,000 with Shri 23,000 with Shri 23,001 24,000 25,000 with Shri 25,001 25,000 26,000 with Prince 26,000 with Prince 1 26,000 with Prince 2 26,000 with Prince 3 sold Gaurav Agarwal goes to 26,000 with Ankit Gupta Super Kings at 10,000 Super Kings 11,000 with Shri 12,000 with Ankit Gupta 13,000 with Shri 13,000 with Shri 15,000 with Mas 16,000 with Ankit Gupta 16,000 with Ankit Gupta 16,001 16,002 70,000 with Prince 18,000 with Ankit Gupta 19,000 with Prince 19,000 with Prince Ankit Agarwal and 20,000 with Ankit Gupta again. 21,000 with Prince. 22,000 with Ankit Gupta. 22,000 for Ankit Agarwal. 23,000 with 24,000 with Ankit Gupta. 25,000 with Prince. 26,000 with Ankit Gupta. 27,000 with for Prince. 27,000 with Prince. 28,000 with Ankit Gupta. 28,000 with Ankit Gupta. 29,000 with Prince. 29,000, 30,000, 32,000 with Prince. 34,000 for 36,000 with Prince. 36,000, 38,000 with Ankit Gupta. 38,000 with Ankit Gupta. कितना जा सकता है ये पूछ रहे क्या? 38,000 अंकित गुप्ता जा सकता है क्या? अंकित गुप्ता तो ये कितना प्रिंस कितना देता है? अंकित गुप्ता कितना जा सकता है? ओके अंकित गुप्ता कैन गो टिल 53,500 and Prince can go till
बात कर रहे थे यहाँ पे लड़ाई हो रहा मुझे कितना
Rising Stars C 36 with Ankit Gupta right now. 38 with Ankit, sorry, 38 with Ankit. Prince, you can go till 46. He can go till 46. एक second, 10,000. तेरे को डायमंड का लेना बाकी है. 51,000 तुम जा सकते Prince. Prince 51 जा सकता है. 38 with Ankit Gupta right now. 38 with 40,000. 40,000 with 42,000. 42,000 with Ankit Gupta. 42,000 with Ankit Gupta. 44,000 with Prince. 44,000. 46,000. आप बोले क्या?
बॉलिंग करेगा ये लोग
44,000 with Prince right now. 44,1. 44,001. 44,001. 44,002. 44,002 and 44,003 sold to Prince Agarwal. Ankit Agarwal goes to Prince Agarwal at 44. 10,000 with Master Blasters Hitesh Agarwal. 10,001, 10,002 and 10,003. Master Blasters have taken Hitesh Agarwal at 10,000. At 10,000, throw right arm bowler, right arm batsman, right hand batsman. 10,000, Chirag Nahata.
अनुज इधर आ जाना.
10,000 for Chirag Nahata. Anyone? 10,000 with Ankit Gupta. At base price, 2 Chirag Nahata, 1. Chirag Nahata, 2 Ankit Gupta, 2. Chirag Nahata, 2 Ankit Gupta, 3. Sold. The next player is Ankit. Is a right arm bowler, right hand batsman. Right arm bowler, right hand batsman. Ankit Garg at 10,000. 10,000 for Ankit Garg. 1. 10,000 for Ankit. Anyone for Ankit Garg? Anyone for Ankit Garg? Ankit Garg, anyone guys? Captain, सबको C भरना है. You have to take it. Sri Anurag and Ankit Gupta. You have to take Ankit Garg anyhow. Ankit जी आपने bidding किया है क्या? 10,000 with Ankit Gupta. 10,000 with Ankit Gupta. 1. 10,000 with Ankit Gupta. 2. 10,000 with Ankit Gupta. 3. Sold. Malani.
1 लाख क्रॉस करना है.
Gopal Malani for 2 Anurag at 10,000. 10,000 Gopal Malani 1. 10,000 to Gopal Malani 2 Mavericks 1. 2. 3. Gopal Malani sold to Mavericks at 10,000. The last player, gold category, and Ankit Agarwal, the only player, gold category is to be taken by Shri. So 10,000 is the 10,000 guys. Come on. Sri is sold. It's totally sold. Two Master Blasters. Ankit Agarwal has gone to Sri at 10,000.
अनुराग का टीम कंप्लीट हो गया, कृषि का इसका भी कंप्लीट हो गया, इसका भी कंप्लीट हो गया।
Okay, so Anurag has completed his team. Anurag, the Mavericks. Can we have on screen? Mavericks. One second. Mavericks के players देख लीजिए. अनुराग काजरिया, पवन सुरेखा, रितेश धानेवा, माधव राठी, प्रियांशु सिंह, ऋषि राठी, batsman, left hand bowler. Can we have this picture on the screen? Tarun Baid, Tarun Baid, same thing. He can hit hard sixes. He's a wicket keeper as well. Master Blasters 10,000. 15,000. Sorry, my mistake. Diamond category. 15,000 to Master Blasters 1. 16,000 Prince. 16,000 Prince. 22,000. 22,000. Okay, तुम उसके ऊपर जा रहे हैं. 23,000 with Master Blaster. 23,001. 23,002. 23,000. 1 second.
थोड़ा इधर आके बैठ जाओ, थोड़ा इधर आके बैठ जाओ ना, नहीं तो पूरा घुस जाओ। आपके पीछे जो है वो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है कैमरा में।
Krishi, are you bidding? You are not bidding. So Tarun Baid goes to Master Blaster at 23,000. So Sri has also completed his team. And the team goes like this: Sri Mangalam Surekha, Abhishek Agarwal, Anuj Kajaria, Pratul Todi, Mayank Agarwal, Ayush Gupta, Tarun Jain.
Right arm off spinner. Good batsman, power hitter. Let's see. Okay, Prince has called it first. 15,000. 22,000. 22,000. Prince का pocket maximum था. 23,000 Rishi. Anyone else? 23? 23,000. 1, 23,002. 23,000. 3. Sold.
Shabir Agarwal, Rising Stars at the average price of 23,000.
There is one more player.